Can you turn? Okay, good. Turn again. Now turn around. All the way around. Go, pedal, pedal, pedal. This way, go. And then go, pedal, pedal, pedal. Did you like that? Oh, that's too small for Daddy to ride it. Does Levi want to ride it again?
Bubbles.
Okay, we'll go get the bubbles. Did you like that tricycle?
Bubbles, bubbles.
Should we go get the bubbles now?